Unfortunately, I have way too many pairs to fit into my car, so I'm gonna be taking my mom's car. I didn't really realize I was gonna be bringing this many pairs, but then when I started looking at the market price and stuff, the sneaker market is like really high right now, which obviously eventually that has to go down a little bit. So I'm gonna be selling off some of my Jordan 1s, some of my Yeezys that I was holding, just so I can make some better investments with the money. Alright guys, get everything packed in the back. Obviously we have a lot more in the trunk. I had to take my mom's car because it's not gonna fit in mine, like I said. Now we're gonna go pick up Kaylee, probably get something to eat, and then we'll go over to the mall. Alright guys, so we've been just putting in all these shoes right now, cataloging everything. I have to look at the shoe and put in the SKU and all that, and then put the price. So we've been doing that for like 20, 30 minutes now. About halfway, we're not even halfway done, so it's gonna be a while. Appreciate it, homie. See you. Like always. Alright guys, we just got at the mall. I brought in like 36 pairs or something like that. I need to see the dollar amount. I would guess over $10,000, probably 15, something like that. I'm not too sure. But we are about to go get some food. We're both starving. So yeah, that's what's going on. Alright guys, so we're at Bricktown Brewery. I went here in one of my other vlogs, but we're starving. I haven't eaten all day. It's back to the old days, baby. Like I used to vlog a lot more, like my actual life.
Do you remember we came here in our 1 month?
He did.
Okay, if you think sitting on the same side of the table is weird, comment if you think sitting on the same side of the table is weird, because Hunter doesn't, and I think it's weird.
I don't think it's weird. So like, we're at this booth, like it's a booth, and she thinks it's weird to sit on the same side, okay, but I don't.
I was sitting on the side he was sitting on because it was the booth side, and I wanted that side, and he went over there and just sat there.
I tried sitting by her, and she didn't let me sit by her. I don't know why. I don't think it's weird. Let me know. We'll settle this in the comments. Leave a comment. Is it weird or not weird?
Yeah.
We switched spots, if you can't tell, because she wanted the other side.
I got Bricktown Club with no lettuce, tomato, and sweet potato fries, and Hunter got
nachos. That was very good.
Better than Roosevelt's.
Yep.
Oh, you didn't even vlog?
I didn't vlog it, no. So we went to this restaurant. It's like a Christmas restaurant, and it basically is. I went there in a vlog last year. I tried to, if you guys are OG. And the wait was like an hour and a half. It wasn't really that long, but the food was bad. Service was bad. Sorry.
And we waited an hour and a half.
Sorry, but it's the truth. But this was very good, Bricktown. I don't think I've ever had a bad meal here, so. It is very dark out here, and it's currently 5 o'clock exactly. Alright guys, so we made it to 10 Toes. I kind of realized I forgot to tell you what we're doing. We're kind of just hanging out with Cam. Today is Black Friday. It's currently 5:55, which they're supposed to be opening at 6. We'll see how it goes. There's kind of a line out here, so I don't know. I'm gonna record some shit. Hopefully it's dope. I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll see. All of the Black Friday shoes on this wall with the Supreme skate deck, and then all the clothes in the middle rack that are on the rug, they're all our door busters. We have as low as $15.
Prada baby.
So Cam did it to me with the Prada bag. I had this like old ASSC. I say old, but not really old. It's all ripped up. So now this is my new side pouch. I don't know. Something fitted up.
Designer boys.
You know what it is, boys. Big shout outs to Cam and 10 Toes. You guys already know.
Hunter's always looking out for me. Hook me up with a couple pairs for retail. So you know I got a blessed, bro.
Hey, bro, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. All love. All love. If you grab it, you can have it.
It's a little late if you're watching this video though. That's why you need to be following 10 Toes, post notifications on. Let's see who gets it. Fire. I think it'll be like max 2 minutes. I'm saying 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
A little bit longer than that. A little bit longer.
5, 10. Alright, so I'm about to post my IG story. First person to find me at 10 Toes gets like a free pair of shoes. Like I'll buy him a pair of shoes. So we'll see how that goes. Might be kind of expensive, but I don't have very many followers on Instagram, so if you don't follow me, link down in the description below. You gotta go follow that shit. We'll see how this goes. So we'll see what happens.
Oh my gosh.
Can you ring me up?
Hey,
UnlimitedCop.
what are those shoes?
Alright boys, it's now like 12 o'clock. I'm exhausted. We're dipping out. Check out 10 Toes if you haven't. You guys already know.
Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate you for coming by today.
Of course.
Yup. You have a good one, bro.
You too. Be safe. I am so tired, bro. I got here at 5:30. It's now 12:15. It was pretty fun. I'm gonna go get some food and go to sleep. Alright guys, so this is going to be the actual video. If you guys did enjoy, be sure to hit the like button down below. Hit the subscribe button for more content. Like I said, we're kind of ending the Life of a Reseller series. So this video is more kind of a vlog, if you will, kind of more into my life. I'm still kind of working with it, seeing exactly what I want to do. So let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed. Also, be sure to follow my socials down below. Be sure to follow my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. I'm going to be giving away a lot more shoes on there and trying to interact with you guys a lot more. I'm probably going to throw up a giveaway next week or so for these new Jordan 1s that just recently dropped. If you guys haven't followed my socials, be sure to do so. If you guys have any questions about botting or anything, feel free to reach out. I'll eventually get to you guys, hopefully. I'm not gonna lie, my DMs are very full right now, like hundreds of messages. So hopefully I can get to you guys. If I don't reply, please bear with me. Eventually I will. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm UnlimitedCop and I'm out.